What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to transfer Chrome bookmarks to another device. So we're going to go over to our Chrome browser, and then at the top right corner you want to click on the three dots there, and then go to Bookmarks and Lists, just hover over it. And then here we're going to click on Open Bookmarks Manager. So while we're here, this is where you'll be seeing your bookmarks. You can click on the three dots on this area right here, and then click on Export Bookmarks. Of course, once you click on that, you'll need to save your bookmarks. So you want to select a folder where you can save it, give it a proper name, and then save. Once you do that, you want to transfer that file, which will be a HTML file, to your other device. You could upload that file into your Google Drive and then access it from your other device using the same Google Drive, or you can put it in a flash drive. In any case, once you do that, you're going to open your Chrome on your new device, click on the three dots at the very top, then go to Bookmarks and Lists, hover over it, and then here you can see Import Bookmarks and Settings. Once you select that, you'll be able to have some options here. You can see Bookmarks HTML file. You're going to select it. And then of course you can see favorite and bookmarks, then click choose file. And then you're going to choose the file from where you saved it. Of course, as we mentioned before, either on a pen drive or by uploading and downloading from a Google Drive. So once you find the file, you'll be able to click on open and of course complete the process from here.